Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about one application called Cred, which is specifically for the users who use credit cards. Now this is an application which is launched like 7 or 8 months back, and I'm using since then I'm using this application and I'm loving it. So this has been launched by the ex free charge founder, Mr. Shah, and it's a very successful approach. I think previously we did not have any such platform where we could pay credit card bills and really make good rewards out of it. Paytm and PhonePe had it, but I don't think the reward program was so good. So I'll leave the link in the description box. You can definitely go and download and install the application. Because it's a referral link, you will be getting 150 rupees Uber voucher free. And so let's go. See what the app actually looks like. So this is the Cred app. Now this is the entire interface. Okay, so this is the interface because I'm already logged in here. Now when you'll be logged in, you'll be asking the permissions of like making a calls and sending messages, and also uh, yeah, these two majorly, and also the calendar because they want to add events for the bill payment due dates and everything. So give that, go ahead with the process, and they will check the CIBIL score. So if your CIBIL score is more than 750, they will welcome you, and if not, then I think they will keep you on hold, and they'll keep you waitlisted. And I think because it happened to with one of my friend, they'll keep you waitlisted, I think, for a month or two, and then they will send you a notification that saying that you're welcome on board and you can go ahead with the process. So once you're done, you just these are 5 sections. Okay, so there's a section where it will tell you about the app, what are the benefits of the app. It's just like a home page where it will just welcome you. The referral program is there, where for each successful referral you'll be getting 10 gems. Like see, I have 40 gems. Okay, so for each successful referral you'll be getting 10 gems. So there are many reward options like Uber, Flipkart, Amazon, and flight tickets. So depends, it'll keep on changing because it is going to expire in 32 days. So there are other gift options. I think there is more lined up and it'll come automatically, gradually. So this is the home page. Now coming to the cards. So once you register your application, register in the application, you'll be able to see all the cards that you have registered, that you're using in this card section. Now one thing you need to note is that the number you're giving while registration, that number needs to be same which is registered with the bank or the card. So if it is not, otherwise you need to add it separately, the card. You can add anyone else's card as well, so that's not a problem. Now once the card is added, so it is not registered, it's just added, it's just got the information that you're the holder of this card. Now you need to verify. It will just show you the last 4 digits. Now when you click on the card, it'll ask for all the 16 digits or 15 digits, whatever it is. So it'll ask for all the 16 digits. Once you verify the card, it'll deposit 50 rupees to your card. So you're getting at the very first time. So let's say if you have 10 cards, you'll be getting 500 rupees in 10 different cards, 50 rupees each. This is one plus point, and I really liked it. So when I started using this app, they used to credit only 1 rupee. So this was a thing. So now they have definitely improved a lot. Now the second thing, they will ask for Cred Protect. There is another thing called Cred Protect. Cred Protect is nothing but it will ask like for the permission of the emails. They'll try to read the emails and give you a better view of the statements, what are the due dates. Like I gave the Get Cred Protect access, and it actually reads the email from the bank, and it tells me like what are the outstanding statement amount, the due date, the minimum due date, the pay by. So usually if I do a transaction today for at least HDFC, ICICI, most of the cards, I think Visa and MasterCard, it will take maximum of, I think, 2 or 3 hours. And for Amex, it takes around 1 day, 1 working day. So it's very fast because in HDFC and ICICI, it took around, I think, 2 or 3 minutes to process the payment from bank's end. And for HDFC, it hardly takes 10 minutes. So it's very good. You can add as many cards you want. And so what is the reward program which I'm really obsessed about? So reward program is like, let's say I have a bill of 10,000 rupees. Now if I'm going to do a payment of 10,000 rupees, then you need to pay. You can do a part payment. Let's say today is January 1st, your due date is January 20th, and you do a payment of 1,000 rupees on January 1st, 1000 rupees on January 5th, and remaining you will do on January 15th. Okay, so you can do it in that way. So you can just click on pay, and it'll say, you'll say pay custom, and you will say enter an amount, whatever it is, 1000 rupees or whatever. So once you do that, when this payment is successful, it will actually keep a track, and next time when you go here, I mean come here, it'll show you the total due, which is actually due. Now the 20,000, because 20,000 was the statement amount, after you have already paid 1000, it will only show you 19,000. So it keeps a track. Otherwise it's a very problematic thing, because previously I had to manage this thing. I had to pay incomplete. I couldn't do a part payment, because otherwise it is very difficult to keep a track of how much I have already paid for. And another thing, because you for whenever you do a payment, you'll be getting a scratch card. So it's like you will be so I'll go to reward section. So see this, if I'm going to do a payment of 2000 rupees, so I'll be getting 2000 coins. So for this 2000 coins, I'll be having it in this account. Now you'll have many options, like you can choose any vouchers from here, or you can collect as many coins you want, and then you can redeem for a voucher. If I see here, this is a voucher which costs 20,000 coins. Now this is a chef class, or I mean cooking class or something, so it is applicable for Hyderabad and Pune, Sheraton Grand, and something, some hotel locations are there. So you can go for this option, but for that you need to collect till 20,000 coins. Or else, if you do not want to wait till that, you can definitely go for a scratch card, which is 1000 rupees, 1000 coins rather. Okay, so for 1000 coins, definitely you can use that as a scratch card, and remaining 1000 coins, it will be here. Now for 1000 coins, you can earn a cashback of up to 1000 rupees, and if you do a payment of, let's say, 10,000 5000 rupees, you'll be getting two scratch card options, one for 1000 coins, another for 5000 coins. One is up to 1000 rupees, another is up to 5000 rupees. Now I see there are many scratch card logics also implemented in Google Pay, but most of the times I only see what, better luck next time. Here I have not faced any kind of issues. Every time at least I got 6 rupees. That is the minimum I got so far, every time, and I liked it. So the reward catalog is huge. I like really this one, because right now it is asking for 6 lakh. It costs around 5000 rupees. It is asking for 6 lakh coins, but previously it was available for 1 lakh coins. I saw it, I missed it, but it was there. What else? So this was it, guys. I mean, let me know if you liked the video or not, and do check out the description box for the link. Download it and pay your bills. I think definitely will be benefited. And also let me know, like, if you have came across any other application where we can utilize the application for credit card bill payments or any other bill payments, and we can get good rewards. Also let me know, like, what are the videos you want me to make, so I'll try to make those. And take care. Until then, goodbye, and stay tuned.